Hey everyone! Welcome to our guide on how to upload and share files on Google Drive. Let's dive right in. Open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Click on the plus button or the new button on the left side of the screen. Select File Upload or Folder Upload to upload files or folders respectively. Choose the file or folder you want to upload from your computer and click Open. Wait for the upload to complete. You'll see a progress bar indicating the upload status. Once uploaded, you can find your file or folder in your Google Drive. To share a file, right-click on the file and select Share from the menu. Enter the email addresses or Google Drive links of the people you want to share the file with. Choose their permission level, such as view, comment, or edit, and click Send. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.